Hello and welcome back. Today I get to start something that I've been looking forward to for a while, framing the structure of the first floor. In order to do that though, I need some lumber. I actually made this lumber a while back, and I unfortunately wasn't able to film it, but I took some pictures instead. I wanted to make my lumber out of the right material, and in my area that's Douglas fir. So I went to the home center and bought a full-size 2x6. I ripped this 2x6 down into 1.5-inch scale strips. And then I ripped each strip into lengths to get scale 2x4s, 2x6s, 2x8s, all the dimensional sizes we're used to. Next, I needed a way to join my lumber together. I wanted to use nails to put this lumber together, so therefore I needed an approximately 2-scale nail I could use. I tried a bunch of things, including small brad nails, and also model railroad spikes, but the thing that ended up working out the best was actually small stainless steel pins. I tried 2 different lengths, and the shorter length ended up being a lot easier to drive in with a hammer. Finally, here's the structure itself. As far as I understand it, this is a pretty typical floor consisting of a sill around the foundation, a rim joist around the outside, and joists spanning the distance between supports. The part that is a bit more complicated though is near the middle, where there's an opening framed for stairs down to the basement. This opening is reinforced on both sides and is tied to the broader structure with smaller triple joists. I will add blocking between the joists at a later date. With that out of the way, let's get started.